on.
We're healthy and we know it.
Veggies. How many veggies? Say 2 cups.
2 cups.
Say 5 servings.
5 servings.
Very good. Say fruit, 2 cups.
Fruit, 2 cups.
You got it.
Dairy, 3 cups. Low fat or no fat? Lean protein, 5.5 servings. Seven. Whole grains.
6 servings.
6 servings.
3 whole grains.
3 whole grains.
Oils, no more than 6 teaspoons a day.
Choose from all food groups. Drink low fat or no fat milk. Drink low fat or no fat milk.
Go.
Eat all grains.
Say fruit.
Fruit.
Veggies.
Veggies.
Say yum yum.
No. No supersizing. We're healthy and we know it. Yeah. We're healthy and we know it. 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 We're healthy and we know it.
The USDA Food Pyramid for a Healthy Diet. Recommendations of vegetables, 2.5 cups and 5 servings. Recommendations for fruit, 4 servings, 2 cups a day. Recommendations for milk, 3 cups of dairy a day, low fat or no fat. Recommendation for oil, no more than 6 teaspoons a day. Recommendations for protein, 5.5 servings of lean protein. Recommendations of grains, 1 ounce per serving with a total of 6 servings, 3 of them being whole grains.